Hello each and everyone. We are the student of 8th grade from Srimati Kaveri Te Patil English Medium School. We are here to play this skit on all front of you. This drama is all about Tenali Rama and his witty brain. We hope you all will enjoy it and let's see what will happen.
Our skit name is A Battle to Baffle.
Once upon a time there lived a witty poet named Telani Rama, who was dressed in the court of Emperor Krishnadev Rai. Krishnadev Rai was the emperor of Vijayanagar Empire from year 1509 to 1529. One day, in the court of Krishnadev Raya, the emperor is seated on his throne. Courtiers, scholars, ministers are seated in two rows facing one another and discussing softly.
Your Royal Highness, I have some urgent news to convey. May I have your kind permission to announce it?
Yes, Mantriji, you may.
Maharaj, a very great scholarly Pandit Shahane, has arrived here. He has mastered all our scriptures and has won great renown all over India.
He must be a truly brilliant Pandit.
Very true, Maharaj. What's more, Pandit Shahane has come here to challenge all the Pandits in our kingdom. He is visiting our court tomorrow.
Challenge the knowledge of your Pandits. I am not sure.
All courtiers, pundits, etc., begin to show nervousness and appear restless.
Who all among you can take up this daring test of defense? Come forth.
Not one of you can face the Pandit. I have assessed all of you. I shall debar you from my court. I have never felt more disgust. In fact, I shall sentence you all too.
Excuse me, Maharaj. I have a suggestion. I humbly seek your permission to voice it.
What is it? It had better be a good one, or you shall be the first one to be expelled from Vijayanagar.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I am confident. Let us send for Tenali Raman. He will certainly find a solution to this predicament.
That's an excellent idea. Let us call Tenali Raman. He shall certainly pull us out of this tight corner.
Summon Tenali Raman at once.
I am at your service, Your Highness. Your wish is my command.
Tomorrow, Pandit Shahane, a most well-read, well-known scholar is coming to our court to challenge our Pandits. All of you then hear a different of taking him up. They have recommended you to outfit the challenger. Will you accept it?
Most certainly, Your Majesty. Let me assure that I shall not let you down. But I have a small request. When Pandit Shahane arrives tomorrow, all must accept me and honor me as the chief Pandit for one day.
We certainly will, and I shall see to it that you are brought in with honors.
Court dismissed.
Next day, courtiers, etc., are seated. Emperor arrival is announced. As per procolate, all stand up and bow as the emperor proceeds and takes up his place.
Be seated.
With your beaming permission, Your Royal Highness, may I call the great Pandit Shahane and Pandit Tenali Rama?
Yes, let them be brought forth at once.
Your Highness, this is Pandit Shahane, the most revered and honored master scholar of our ancient scriptures, the pride of India. And now may I announce the greatest of great scholar in Vijayanagar, the chief Pandit Tenali Rama.
All of you, be seated. Let the Pandits begin the debate.
Let us begin by discussing the merits of Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana.
What was that?
Let us debate on the virtues of the scripture Tilakashta Mahisha Bandhana.
I have read thousands of scholarly works in Sanskrit but never even heard of what was that name Tila Bandhana, something like that. How can I discuss it merits? I give up 1,000 apologies, Your Highness. I have not read the scriptures that Telani Raman mentions. I concede defeat. Telani Raman is the greatest of all scholars.
I am proud of you and grateful for saving the reputation and honor of our great empire. Let me reward you.
Your words of praise are my greatest reward, Your Highness.
But tell me, Raman, to what great work did you refer?
Maharaj, til is a sesame, kasta is a stick. So, tilakasta refers to the stick or stems of sesame plants that you see in my hands. This is a rope used to tie up buffaloes. Mahisha means a buffalo. Bandhana is the rope used to tie up something. So, this is the tilakasta Mahisha Bandhana.
Emperor laughing loudly. Laugh again, everyone joins in laughter.
Thanks all of you for watching our video. This video is made by our members with so many hard work. Hope everybody like it.